The Great White Hurricane of 1888, one of the most catastrophic blizzards in American history, struck the northeastern United States from March 11th to 14th, 1888. The storm unleashed an astonishing 50 inches of snow in some areas, with New York City itself buried under 21 inches. Winds gusted up to a terrifying 80 miles per hour, creating snowdrifts as high as 52 feet, enough to completely engulf four-story buildings. An estimated 400 people perished, including 100 in New York City alone. The storm also wreaked havoc on maritime transportation, where over 200 ships were wrecked or grounded, further adding to the devastation. Communication lines were destroyed, isolating communities for days. The sheer scale of the storm's impact underscored the need for better infrastructure, leading to the eventual construction of New York City's first subway system.